Hi there, Scott here, and in this video we're going to walk you through how to edit your Authority Engine help desk. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the My Help Desk section within the Kartra platform and then find your Authority Engine help desk. And then we click on these three little buttons here. Now there's a few things you can do here. Firstly, you can get the direct link. So if you choose to send your help desk as a URL directly to a particular customer, you can do so, but we'll cover that in a little bit more detail towards the end of the video. But in this instance, let's start by editing our help desk and showing you how to do that. So here's the name of your help desk, and obviously feel free to change this to something more appropriate for you and your business. But let's edit this help desk and we'll walk you through how that works step by step. So the first thing you're going to see here is something that you probably don't need to change in this instance because this particular help desk is already hosted on Kartra servers, so you don't need to change that. But again, just to show you, if you decided to have it hosted elsewhere on your own server as an example, you can do that, but that's probably more trouble than it's worth. So I would highly suggest you probably leaving that alone. You can then upload your own header logo, which is very, very simple to do. You can pick a design template for your login. So this has all been color coded at this point, but obviously feel free to change your own. You can choose from a range of different colors here. Unfortunately, you're not able to add your own, but they have got all the major colors here, so I'm sure you'll find one that is most suitable for you. But nevertheless, that's where you can pick your login area and the design template to suit. You then have what's called a custom marquee. Now this has already been pre-set up for you, but there's a number of things you can do. You can change the text here, which will display on the screen. And you can also upload your own image. And if you do upload your own image, be sure that it fits the ideal size within the actual platform itself so it displays correctly. You can then pick a marquee overlay color. So you can have a color that overlays like a film across the top of your particular image just to make it stand out a little bit more perhaps, and that's obviously up to yourself. You also have the availability to choose something that's already been included. These are some pre-existing templates within the Kartra platform itself, and that's completely up to you whether you decide to use those. So just for argument's sake, let's leave that one on for now, and we'll move on to the next step. So the next step is in relation to support departments. Now, what has been pre-set up for you is, I guess, the standard sales and support. But if there's another section of your business that you would like to include as a support department, you can just include the name and then add it. And then that way, any particular customers or visitors that decide to visit your help desk will be able to choose whether they want to speak to sales support or maybe tech support as an example. And then you have the actual support channels themselves. Now, Kartra gives you the ability to have 4 different support channels. You can use a ticketing system, and again, you can edit this to your requirements. So in this instance, I've included an average response time of say 3 hours to your support tickets, but you can edit that as you see fit. You have phone availability, so you can add when you're available via phone and the phone numbers that are included there, so they can actually phone those numbers. And again, you can edit that as per your requirements. You also have the live chat availability. And at this point in time, I've just put 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'd highly suggest you change that to times that are appropriate when your help desk will be staffed by yourself or other internal people within your business. You also have the ability to include Skype as a support channel. And again, I would suggest you put a time that's most appropriate for you to be available via Skype, and make sure that you're not getting calls in the middle of the night via Skype as an example. And all you need to do is include your Skype ID and hit activate channel, and that will become live for you. And at this stage, obviously, I've left that blank because I don't know what your Skype ID is. So then we hit save and we move on to the next step. So if there's a number of products that you would like to include beyond the actual membership that's included and the product that's available via your Authority Engine funnel, you can actually include those by adding new product names here. And that way, any particular customers will see that not only can they be helped across a range of products, you may have a product that they've never even noticed before, and now they may wish to check it out. So it's a good way to do some cross promotion and cross branding, but nevertheless, it will support a number of products within the same funnel. Now you can activate a support wiki. I don't really like to do that. Primarily, I think they're a little bit more trouble than they're worth. And in this particular instance, I haven't actually added it into the funnel that you've acquired, because quite frankly, I don't know the products and services that you would like to sell ongoing. So you can do that if you choose to do so. You can then display the billing section within the help desk, itself. So this is almost a self-serve for your customers. So for example, if they've got a query that they would like their an invoice as an example, or see some of their past payments and make sure that they're up to date, etc., etc. By displaying this section on your help desk, they'll be able to get access to that information directly themselves and self-serve, which will obviously cut down on some tickets and other support requests. You can also choose to let users request refunds, and there are a number of different ways to do this. So you can allow them to request refunds or not allow them to request refunds. And you can either execute these automatically or manually review every refund request. Now, in my experience, it's probably best to manually review any refund request just to make sure that they're within the terms of use of your product or service, as an example. So you're not refunding things automatically for periods that are out of their warranty guarantee, etc., etc. But you can choose either or, and whatever works best for your business. You can also let users cancel their subscriptions. So again, this is almost like a self-serve functionality, so they can cancel any subscriptions that are part of your membership, and they can do that at their own pace and within their own time frames without having to get you involved. But again, if you choose to do so, you can manually approve those. Next up, anybody that actually decides to go through your help desk, we've automatically integrate them as leads, so you can continue to market to them at future intervals, as an example. I haven't assigned any tags. They'll be subscribed to the Authority Engine list, so the basic customer list, and there's no sequences attached to that at the moment, but obviously you can edit and change all of those. Now, at the end of this is now your help desk edited and ready to go, and you're given a link here. Now, this link can be edited and branded to your particular custom domain, which you'll see in the custom domain training if you haven't already. But effectively, you can send particular customers directly to your help desk via this very link. So not only do the little bubble heads come up within various pages of the site itself, so they can self-serve directly on your various pages, but if you would like to send the URL directly purely and only to the help desk, this is effectively what it'll look like. And again, you can edit this as you see fit, so they can create a new ticket, they can get the phone details, live chat, they can see their orders, etc., etc. So this is what it would look like straight out of the box. So it's a fantastic way for you to ensure that you're providing the exceptional customer service that I'm hoping you're looking to achieve for your customers, and at the same time automate as much as possible. So look, again, that's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up at my help desk and I can answer those for you there. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.